Money keep coming in, I can't lose. Money keep coming in.
What is
I
up?
can't lose.
Too much energy, probably. What's up, y'all? So today we're gonna go into the Nike outlet, but my Nike outlet is pretty strict about recording. So if they kick me out, it's gonna be great vlog content, and it's gonna turn into another Ross video, which is kind of boring. But you know, if they kick us out, that's what we have to do. We're here again with the boy. What is up, YouTube? Yeah, let's get it, man. We got our coffee that they terribly messed up because I don't know why.
It's so bad.
It just tastes like rotten milk. Honestly, it's really bad. But yeah, Saturday morning, let's get it. Any releases today? Anything dropped today?
It's Saturday, right? It should be something.
Yeah, but
Nothing,
obviously
bro.
there's nothing hype. We don't know about it. So yeah, that's our little intro. Now y'all gonna see what heat they got. Maybe y'all gonna hear us getting kicked out. We'll see. Catch you guys over there. Peace. Some Vapor Maxes. I actually like these a lot. I like this black pair too. You want some Team Jordans? We got the Team Jordans in here.
Man, it's all about that.
Bro,
Oh, I haven't seen those.
you want these? You want these 8s, bro? Come get them. They're not terrible. M2Ks. I'm just trying to help. I like them.
I'm gonna try them like there or something.
I like these Kobe's. Those are hard. You like these right here?
Yeah.
Can't do it to them. That's a little steel in here.
Don't speak to me. I'm cheesed up like pizza. She want a piece of me. Everywhere I go, I bet.
Yeah, it's like fire. Fire ass.
A couple weeks ago.
Jordan 1 back. Is it recording?
Yeah. Wait, what? Real, bro.
Gym Reds in the Nike.
What size are those?
11 and a half. I had never seen these in person. They're not bad, but they're ugly.
No, they're dope.
I don't like them. But for real, at the Nike outlet, all covered. That's a nice
That's
fine thumbnail.
crazy.
Tryna be crack, she wanna be cutty. That bitch is a baby. I'm a fucking house. I'm 730. I'm a pet like kid.
But yeah, this is the first thing I did. And I want to show you guys how practice can make perfect. So this was the first shoe. And then the second shoe I did was these. I turned my personal pair of bronze medal ones, which should be here or here. They'll be somewhere on the screen so you can see the before product. And then this is the after. So the royal ones are, you know, one of my favorite Jordan ones of the OG colorways. Those, and then my black toes, and I got the low black toes. So I didn't want to make like a high black toe, so I decided I'm gonna do royals. So I did the royal. As you can see, I think they come out pretty well. It's not an OG pair, so you know that's not blank. The tongue is the Jordan, the Jumpman tongue. But overall, this is an older shoe, so that it has some permanent damage as far as like the creasing goes, and same thing on the toe box. But as far as the paint, I think I did a very good job. It came out really well, and the Krylon matte finisher worked wonders, like on the heel, and just made it look really sharp and professional. So this is just what you say, like practice makes perfect. This is the perfect testament to that. Like the difference in being able to practice on this shoe and then immediately jump over here is just, it was crazy. So I was really proud of how these turned out. And so the number one thing with customs, some tips. Number one, tape truly is your best friend. And make sure you do a good job taping and do multiple layers, because paint will get under the tape and then you'll have to like come here. I don't know if you can see that I had to like repaint that area because white got there. Tape is really your best friend. And number two is patience, because you know it's not going to turn out perfect, especially not the first try. You're going to have to retape and redo layers and fix lining and do touch-ups. It takes a lot of patience. And the third thing is that it's not going to be perfect. I'm not Vic Almighty or someone like that. Like, I had to tell myself, like, it's not going to be perfect, and it's okay to leave it, clean up my materials, and try again tomorrow, or try again later that day, because you just get frustrated. Oh, it's not turning out. This area keeps messing up. So that's really the third thing, is patience. And the last thing is that you always kind of want to have an idea, because let's be honest, these shoes are super duper duper expensive. I didn't even test the bottom, but the shoes are super duper duper expensive. And so for you to just like free ball and do whatever you want, yeah, it might work out, but you could also ruin one of your personal pair of shoes, or even worse, someone else's shoe. So just, you know, have a plan somewhat. Like me, I was doing the Royal one. Like, that was pretty easy. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Get the floors from the way out of shit.